So now we are going to see how to write the C program. So for that, so first step, you are going to open the terminal. I want to create the file in one folder. That folder is on desktop. So first I want to move from current directory to desktop. How? CD desktop. In this desktop, so there is a folder with programs. If you observe that, so this is the programs. I want to save all my programs in that programs folder. So I can change directory to desktop to programs. Okay, so in this I want to create my C program. So I create the program with touch command, touch, and my program name is program1.c. okay, the first step is you are going to save the program. So program1.c, if you press enter, then so automatically a file is created in programs directory. This we are called as folder also. So this is the program1.c. okay, so in this notepad you are going to write the program. So in first line I want to write the comment lines. How? Slash asterisk. In this I write the comment line, program to find so quotient and remainder. So how I can end the comment line? Asterisk slash. That's it. Every C program starting with hash include stdio.h. So we can write hash include stdio.h. So the next line is main program. So I write main, int main. So here I can write return 0. Return 0. Here I am going to write the program. So what is the program here? To find so quotient and remainder. So what is a quotient? So quotient is nothing but, for example, so 15 by 2, the quotient is 7, the remainder is 1. That means for that we are going to take two variables. So I can take int so num1, another one is int num2. For storing the quotient, I take another variable q. To store the remainder, I take another variable r. So now I want to read the values from the keyboard. How I can read the values from the keyboard? By using scanf. Scanf, so %d, so %d, say ampersand num1 comma num2, say ampersand num2. Okay, so after that we print these numbers, printf. Here, so I want to print like this, number 1 equals to %d, and I give variable name num1. So every line is terminating with semicolon. So second instruction, so number 2 equals to %d comma num2. Okay, so number 1, number 2. First we execute this program. So save. Here you can click save. Now, so there are 3 steps you follow when you write C program. First one, so write the program. Second one, compile the program. Third one, execute the program. GCC. So GCC is a compiler name. Space, what is the program name here? Program1.c. If you have any errors, it display the errors. So for example, here I write like this, I delete semicolon. I save this program. If I execute this, now it returns some error messages. So now we can rectify the errors and click the save and again go for the compile the program. That's it. So now, so no errors. So execute this program. How? Dot slash. So dot slash. So what is a dot slash means? Dot slash represents current directory After that you are going to give a dot out, a dot out. So what is the meaning of a dot out? Here if you observe that, so program 1.c, after compilation a file is created automatically by the compiler. The file name is a dot out. What it means? This is the binary code equals to the program 1.c. So you are going to execute this machine language code. So you can execute like this, /a dot out. So what are the 3 steps you are going to follow? First step, so write the program. Second step, compile the program. Third step, execute by using /a dot out. If I press enter, so now the cursor is waiting here. So why the cursor is waiting? You are going to give the input. I give, so 15 2. Now it displays number 1 equals to 15, number 2 equals to 2. Now we can modify this program. Here, so before scanf, I want to print some message. Printf, enter any 2 numbers. Enter any 2 numbers. Okay, compile the program. So GCC, so after that execute. Now you observe that the cursor is waiting. So before that we print a message, enter any 2 numbers. Enter 15 2. Okay, so now it displays number 1 equals to 15, number 2 equals to 2. So now I want to print this number 2 in new line. Then I am going to use /n. So then we are going to use /n. Here I use /n. Here also /n. Now save the program, compile the program. Now execute the program. So enter any 2 numbers, 15 2. Now if you observe that, so number 1 equals to 15, number 2 equals to 2. Now we are going to find the remainder and quotient. How? Q equals to num1 by num2, that means a slash operator here you are using. So R, how we can find the remainder in C? So by using percentage operator. So number 2 semicolon. Now I want to print printf quotient equals to %d /n, and here the variable is q. So we store the quotient in q variable. And similarly printf remainder equals to %d /n. Here I am going to give variable r. That's it. Okay, save this program, open the terminal, compile. How? GCC program 1.c. Yes, no errors. How we can execute? /a dot out. So enter any 2 numbers, 15 and 2. So number 1 equals to 15, number 2 equals to 2. So quotient equals to 7.